Okay, now your challenge is to make a series of LEDs light up one after the other. You'll see here I've got 4 LEDs, each with their protective resistor. I've got the resistor on the negative rail here with a black cable going into the ground, G and D on the Arduino. I'm using pin, it looks like pin 234, but you've got pins 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way up here to 13. We've used 13 before. So you should be able to get 13 LEDs going here, one after the other. Now let's look at M block. It's quite easy to actually build these. You'll see we've got a forever loop going here, where pin 2 is high, wait a second, pin 2 is low, wait a second, pin 2, oh that should say 3, pin 3 should be high, pin 3 should be low, so forth and so on. You can even duplicate those and drag them down, you know, and modify them, but you get this real long chains of instructions, which is actually very, very bad practice. A better way of doing it is to use what's called variables. In data and blocks here, I've made a variable called pin and a variable called time. Now, okay, watch this. If we create the variable, you've got to make a variable here and you name it like so. What you call it doesn't actually matter. Okay, I'm going to do that and set time to 0.5, and if we now drag time into all of these, what will happen is the wait in seconds will be 0.5. So by doing this way, a variable, you can actually change it one time and it affects it all the way down here. Now, what I want you to have a go with is using the pin variable. Watch this. If we set pin to, I don't know, let's say 2 for example, and we go pin here, pin stays the same 2 all the way down the chain. But if we do a change here and change like so, every time the loop runs, I can change the pin, and the time. Look at that. Forever. Every time the loop runs, it changes the time by 1, it changes the pin by 1. So by using these variables, every time the loop runs, something will change. Have a go with that. I won't show you what I made. It does actually work, because otherwise you'll just copy it. I want you to work it out for yourselves, which may be a challenge. Have a go.